Welcome back to TECHICAL Effects, the home of amazing content, for another Luna price update. And the current price for Luna is at the $48 mark, and from the all-time high the market is down by 52%. And whatever I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart I have my key supports and resistances that I'm watching at the moment. The first support is at the $36 mark. I also have a key resistance at the $52 mark, $63 mark, and the $87 mark. So also I have this descending channel that is over here, and this descending channel has been well respected with more than 2 touch points. And you can see in the previous 2 days we broke to the upside of this channel. That move is right here. We broke to the upper side of the channel, and once we did that, we touched the resistance that we had here at the $51 mark, and it seems like we got rejected, and now we are having lower prices. And one of the things that you can note over here is that there's this formation of a engulfing candle that I talked about in yesterday's video, and that might be a confirmation that we continue having lower prices, since an engulfing candle is a bearish pattern, is a bearish indication. So the key moves that I expect to play out on this chart are that we can continue having, we can find support on this upper part of this descending channel, and once we do that, we can have a bounce back to the upside, break that resistance, and maybe then once we break that resistance, we can retest this resistance here. Then we can continue having higher prices for Luna. That's the first case scenario that I expect, and for that to happen, I expect us to have higher volumes in the market. I expect us to have a higher volume than this for us to be able to push the market to the upper side, and that move is unlikely to happen because Bitcoin is also selling off. It's still selling off. Then the other case scenario is that if we do not bounce to the upside, once we have the right volume to have that move, we can continue having lower prices. And once we do that, we can go back to the channel that we have here, and once we are in the channel, we can find this support that is at the $37 mark. And if that support does not hold, I will expect us to continue having lower prices to maybe around that point. Then we can have a retest of this zone here, and once we have a retest, we continue even having lower prices for Luna. So those are the key scenarios. Also note that once we continue having lower prices, that means we'll be still trading within the channel and maybe touch the bottom part of the channel, which can give us support. Then we can bounce to the upside. So those are the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart. And for me at the moment, I'm a little bit bearish about the market, and I expect us to maybe hit the $40 mark, where we can find this support that we have here. And once we do that, then we can have the potential to continue pushing the market higher. So that's what I expect, and that's not financial advice. I expect us to hit the $40 mark, and once that happens, we can build up with a few consolidations here, then break to the upside. So let's continue being patient and wait to see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, so make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Yeah, that's all.